everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today it's time to review my beauty subscription boxes and bags. Only had BoxyCharm and Ipsy for this month. So let's jump right in and I'll show you what I got again and tell you my thoughts. I'm going to do Ipsy first. It's a cute bag. I don't need it. I'll get rid of it. Yeah, I am ready to sign up for the bigger bag where you get full-size products. I'm not sure how much that is a month, but I'm ready to move up to that and away from the little sample sizes. I think I've got enough of these little sizes. So, but that's the bag. I'll end up getting rid of it. Now, let me lay all my products out. First, this is what I got with my points. It's a full-size lip gloss from Vasanti, and the color is Super Mom, and I love this. It's not long-lasting, but it doesn't claim to be. I am really into glosses lately. I'm really loving the gloss look, and I love this color, and I'm happy that I got that with my points. So, yay. Next, I got this Luxie Detail Tapered Blender Brush. I like this brush. I need to play with it some more, but I do like this brush. So, yeah, I love Luxie brushes. Next, I got this Skin Iceland Berry Lip Fix. I used it a couple times. I do like it. It's a nice lip balm. There's not much really to say about it. It smells good and it makes my lips feel good. So, yeah, there you go. This one shocked me. I got the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. I don't think you saw it real good when I hauled it. I don't know if you can see that. A little bright maybe. This was not very full because I had to really squeeze it to get some out. And that's where I am on it. I've got enough for a couple more times. But yeah, I went through this face primer pretty fast. I really like this face primer. But my tube definitely wasn't anywhere near full. But I'll continue using that up and go ahead and get rid of it. But it's a very nice primer. It shocked me. I wasn't expecting it to be a really nice primer. Next, from Nomad, it's a blush in Positano Sunrise. Now, as a blush, it's a little dusty, you can see where I've used it. As a blush, it's okay. It is just very, very, very shiny for me. I don't know if you can see how shiny that is. I used it as a blush and it was okay. I usually like a matte blush. I'm not gonna lie. I do have some that have some shine to them that I'm okay with. This one is just really shiny. I used it as an eyeshadow. I like it better as an eyeshadow. I will hang on to that and use it as an eyeshadow, and as I say that, I know I probably won't. It'll probably stay in a drawer until I declutter it. Yeah, I'm just being honest. And then last was this Winky Lux eyeshadow. The shadow color is Mermaid, and it is from the Mermaid Kitten palette. I tried to use this in an eye look. I don't like this shadow. This shadow, it's not very pigmented. Man, I'm really dig my finger in there to get some color out for you. It does not go on like that. It has a weird kind of look to it as well. Yeah, I had trouble with this. I didn't get it to blend. I didn't like this eyeshadow. I will I don't know what I'm going to do with this eyeshadow. Truthfully, I have no idea. That is my Ipsy bag. I liked it. It was a good bag. Not a big fan, well, definitely not a fan of the eyeshadow, and not a big fan of the blush slash eyeshadow. So, yeah. Okay, let's go on to BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm was hands down probably, well, yeah, I would say pretty much the winner this month. I like the lip balm, the primer, and the brush. They were nice in my Ipsy, but they weren't like spectacular. The lip gloss was I got with my points, so I can't add that in. That's not what I got in my box. So the rest of the stuff was good. This, I think, then makes this one a winner. I'll talk about what I didn't use. I didn't use the Butter London Stroke of Wow. Doesn't interest me. Don't want it. I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to give it away. Now, let's move on to these brushes. I have used these brushes quite a bit. This is a nice brush. These are not my favorite brushes, though. I really wanted to love them like I really loved the Alamar palette that we got that month in our BoxyCharm. But these brushes are okay, and I'm thankful to have them, and I will use them. This one, I like its unique shape. It's not round, it's flat. You see, it has a different unique shape, but I do like it. This one is great for doing a cut crease. I like that. This is a liner brush. To me, these liner brushes are all the same. I have a couple already like this, but I'll hang on to this. Yeah, these were good. Not my favorite, but they were good. As we move up the food chain, I love the blush, the L'Oreal blush. This, I have it on today. I love this blush. I had never had any of her blushes before, and this is nice. Tropic Hues. This is a very nice blush. I don't know what else to say about it. It does have some shimmer to it, but not as much as the one that came in the Ipsy bag. Next, let me go ahead and tell you about the lip I got. I got the Hank & Henry in, this is the matte liquid lipstick in Petal Pusher. Okay, it's a matte, but it doesn't feel drying. It feels really nice. I have it on now. Absolutely love this color. This has got to be my favorite color lipstick I own. I have been wearing this quite a bit. If you eat something oily, it's going to come off. It's not what I consider really long lasting. It's transfer proof. I hadn't even tried that part. But believe me, when you go to eat, it's going to come off. It doesn't wear off as evenly either, I have found. But you can reapply on top of itself, and it doesn't get all crusty weird. So this is a great lip. I am very happy with this lip. And then last was the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. Man, I tested this out. I have it on today. I have done several eye looks with this palette. I'm going to hold it up like that because I want it held up the right way. These three colors on top, I love. These four colors are great. Hide and Seek and Clutch are my two favorite shades in this palette. Absolutely love those. I Spy, I can't remember if I really liked it or if I had a problem with it. I know I had a problem with a couple of the shadows. I have on Silver Spoon today. I like it. Swoop is okay. I have on All Nighter, and I really like it. After Midnight, I had a hard time blending that color when I did an eye look. It's not my favorite. It's my least favorite in the palette, but I'm going to give it another try. I'm going to try it some more. This palette surprised me. I was like, oh, a neutral palette. I didn't own a neutral palette. I didn't realize how much I needed a neutral palette. I was thinking about the Naked palette because it is on sale and it is discontinued. But you know what? I don't think I need it. I like this one. And I have this one. These are nice. And these are great for me to use with colorful palettes that I don't want to... Like, I've got some palettes coming. You'll see in a haul coming up. And one of the palettes, I will do a complete eye look with it, but I don't foresee me actually doing that all the time. I foresee me using different shades out of that palette with something neutral. So I like that I have this, that I can do those looks for you and say, you know, pull out your Nightingale palette or a neutral palette and then play with the pops of color. So yeah, hands down, I guess BoxyCharm was the winner. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Any questions or comments, leave down below. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.